You know when you're craving something that hits the sweet spot without going overboard? Yeah, these Nutty bars are here to rescue your snack time. For me, I like to put them in the freezer and eat them when they're frozen. Oh my gosh, they're so amazing that way. But even fresh out of the wrapper, they're perfect that way too. These bars are the perfect mix of crunchy and creamy with just the right amount of chocolate and peanut butter. And the wafer, oh my gosh, it is just something I love for the simple light crunch. I always keep a pack in the pantry for when I need a quick after work snack. And when I need one, let's be real, they're also individually wrapped, so no more digging around for something snackable when I'm juggling work and a busy home. Nutty Butter Bars are the snack you didn't know you needed. Trust me, grab a box before your cravings do.